All right, crew, so welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back for another video. It's not gonna be a quick video though, unfortunately, guys, because this video, we're gonna have to do this in steps. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, you're watching Resto's Mars Garage with CJ. And yes, I am CJ. So I'm gonna turn you guys around so I can show you what we'll be working on this week. So today, man, I got a little side projects that I love to do, especially whenever I'm going to these swap meets and stuff. I actually make these custom flags. And with these flags, they look like they're waving. So I'm gonna show you what we need to do these flags. The first thing is you need to get your, actually need to get 6 2x4s, okay? These are the 2x4s, and we're gonna cut these in length size. We better get 6 rows of flags with this, but we need 13 rows altogether. And I will show you the finished product of everything. But first we need the wood, and we need wood glue. And basically we got a stencil, and we will be staining the wood as well. So the flag here needs to be at least 37 inches as far as in length. So this is 37 inches, and you see how I got it cut out like as a wave. So you'll see that later on. I'll show you, explain why I actually put these grooves in it like that. So we're gonna measure out. I use this here for my template, my copy, and I already know that this is 37 inches. We'll just mark it. Like I said, I'll be able to get 3 of these on here. Then I take my pencil and I will make all right. So I'm going to show you. That'll be one of the flags. Okay, you see how I get that? How I cut with my copy. All right, that'll be one. And then I will lay another one here like that, and that's how I will get 2 of my flags. And this is a fun project, guys, that you can do with your friends. If you got kids, do it with your kids and stuff. So like I said, this is a really fun project. And we'll be using it's a Chinese technique of burning the wood as well to give it that rustic look. And when I get through with all of my flags, as y'all will see as I'm building this, I put a lot of attention to detail, a lot of care into these flags and stuff, because when I do a flag, it really means a lot to me. And whoever I give this to or donate to or bless, whatever, and even if they want to purchase it or something, that's how I actually make, you know, a little bit of money just so I can get more wood and stuff, so I can, you know, build more of these flags. All right, so this is the first piece. All right, that's the first piece. This jigsaw actually works pretty good. Normally with my table saw, it's kind of hard because it's you gotta, you know, slide it through. With this, you just grind it. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because when you go back, we're gonna sand all this stuff down to make it smooth, okay? And none of these is gonna be accurate the same. So as you see, they're gonna line up. This is my copy here, and then we'll line them up at the end, like so. And they don't have to be perfect. And that's how it's gonna make our flag. It look like it's waving. So, this is one down, 27 more to go, okay, to make 2 flags. Like I said, it has to be 13 panels per flag. So I'm gonna turn you guys off, and we're gonna go ahead and start cutting more. All right, crew, so I just got through cutting out the last piece that I'm gonna cut out for this flag, and I'm gonna get my little template. I need to cut one more board. This right here is my copy, of course, so I need one more to make 13. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you need 13 of these straight across, all right, which is 37 inches across. And then I have several different types of templates here. So this one here would be the 1776 with the stars. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that'll be stained. And this is the making of a one-of-a-kind flag, guys. This is all hand cut, all as you all saw how we cut it and everything. So this is how we will cut this flag, guys. One-of-a-kind flag made. Now we got everything blocked off. So now we will go ahead and mark our union. All right, crew, so the next step what we're gonna do, you can see where I actually put my union here, and I blocked it off, and I actually put tape on it, because now we're about to do a stain. And what I'm gonna do first, actually I'm gonna have to move all these lines here back over, because we're gonna stain these first. Red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white, and then we'll come back and we'll stain all of this here blue. All right, crew, so we got only a few more steps and we will be done with the flag. The next thing we'll do, what I'm gonna do, I started late this evening, so normally I would let the white and everything dry for about an hour, and then we'll come back and we'll put a little bit of glue in between the stripes, and then I'll compress it down and we'll let that sit like overnight. Normally you can let it sit for like 3 to 4 hours, and it'll be good and hard, and we actually get some strips on the back, and we'll actually put some staples in the back of it. All right, crew, so we have taken the tape off, and we can always do a little touch up, but I don't want this flag to be perfect because I got a technique that I'm gonna do that we're gonna stain this as well. But the next thing, just to make sure this is tight, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue in between the stripes. All right, crew, so you see that it's the next day here now, and everything is dried up really good. Now, you see some of the glue sticking up. We can get rid of that. That's no problem. So now we'll take it out of the device, and we will actually set it up so we'll staple the back of it once we take everything off of it, to get it a lot sturdier. And I'll show you that process as well. And then we'll just go ahead and take this template off. And there you'll have your pencil for marked. And then you take your Dremel, and we're going to Dremel all of your stars. Alright, crew, so this step here is a crucial step. This is really the second step to where we basically get finished. We're going to go ahead and start weathering this flag. And how I do that is with a torch here. And this is a slow process, so you just got to, you know, every flag is going to be different. So you just want to take your time, try not to stay in one spot too long. also do the sides, wood side. All right. Look at that. That flag now looks weathered and look kind of like beat down a little bit, not too much. And what we'll do is we'll come back and we'll put a satin gloss finish over that. So now we need to turn it over to his backside, and we need to go ahead and burn that just to give it some character as well. Put United States Navy retired, my name, and this is the number 4 flag. So that's it. So now we're going to go ahead and protect this for coating. Alright, crew, so we are done. It took us a few days to finish the American flag with the 13 colonies, 1776, but we done it, we finished it, and I just got through putting a light satin finish stain on it from Minwax, and it turned out really good. I also use a spray. The spray dries twice as fast, and you can put like 2 or 3 coats on it. But once this dry, it'll be a nice satin finish, guys. I guess from start to finish, it took us 4 days. I didn't work on it all day. I had a lot of other projects going on, so that's why it took us so long. Normally, this flag would take 2 days. Anyway, I believe I'm gonna keep this particular one, and then because I've always regretted every time I do a flag, I end up giving it away, and I never had one of my own. All right, crew. So anyway, this is gonna be it for this video. I did it in sections. Hope it didn't take too long, but I hope you guys also learned something. Nice, fun little project that you can do in the garage. You can do with your family member, your kids, whatever, and you know, just take your time and have fun with it. Create it any way you want to. So this is gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to catch all my other videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys, to help me out. So like I always tell everybody, guys, if you got a fast car, truck, and a good cigar, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.